Good morning, children. Today we have the subject maths. How are you all, children? Are you all doing your homework which teachers are giving you? Like we have finished Kannada, we have finished English, Hindi. Please be attentive and just do the simple homework. Today is the day for your mathematics subject, so we will enter into the subject. Before starting, children, let's see some good things. Every day, children, you go to the shop, you celebrate your birthdays, and you celebrate so many things. Even at home now, because it's lockdown, daddy must be getting a lot of chocolates, biscuits, and you're enjoying it. Now suppose, children, there are two boxes with chocolates, and I ask you to take, come on children, take the chocolate, any one box. I'm sure definitely you will take the bigger box because a lot of chocolates will be there in the bigger box. And if your father asks or I ask you, why did you take the bigger box? What will you tell? Oh, it's big, it looks big, it is so nice, like that? No. Children, the answer will be because the bigger box looks big. But when I ask you how does it look big, then you will see with the scale, you will measure it. You will see the sides of it. And then you will say, this box looks big, ma'am, that's why I am taking it. So that is how, children, we learn the size of a box, the size of a room, ceiling, garden, and all the things. Okay? Now let me look into the real life for you, children. Maybe some of you have a garden, and today I'll take you one Mr. Ramu's garden. Okay? Ramu wants to have a garden. Okay? He wants to have a garden. Now in this garden, if he plants flowers, definitely all will go from here, here, here and pluck up the flowers. So what Ramu is doing? He wants to put the fence around the garden. Okay? Now the fence can be any geometrical figure. It can be a square, it can be a rectangle, triangle, depending on what Ramu has got. Okay? Now he wants to put a fence. Now for the fence, he has to get a wire. Again, how will he look into it? He will go and he will put the measurement of fence, one wire, two wire, three wire, four wire, five wire, 6, 7 and 8. 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, these are the wires counted. Okay, so we have here 8 meters of wire. It is not complete, so we go to the next line. 1 wire, 2 wire, 3 wire, 4 wire and 5. So here he needs 5 meters of wires. And same thing here too. 1 wire, 2 wire, 3 wire, 4 wire, 5 wire, 6, 7 and 8 wire. Okay, 8 wires will come here. So 8 meters here also. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the same way this side you need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 meters of wire. So he's completed his fence. Now he has to go to the shop and he has to buy. Now he must be maybe a 10th standard a student. So it's easy for him to calculate. He will say 8 meters plus 5 meters plus this 8 meters plus 5 meters, which is equal to 10 plus, so it will come, how much children? You do your working, it will come 10 meters plus 16 meters, which is equal to 26 meters. So Ramu will go to the shop and get 26 meters. So this measurement, today's topic we are learning, which is called perimeter. What is it called, children? Perimeter. Okay? Now, children, you have to see one more important thing. Suppose a figure is like this. Can we buy the wires for the fence? No, because it is not a closed figure. It is not a closed figure. So, we see in your new topic, new shapes, and these shapes are geometrical. It can be a triangle, it can be a rectangle, it can be a square, it can be a rhombus, and so many others. In your new topic, you are reading only the perimeter first, and then later on we'll enter into the area finding. Now, what is a perimeter? So, like to find out this, you have to first know the definition. The definition is the sum of length of all the sides of a closed geometrical figures is called its perimeter. Now, this cannot be found for the perimeter. Okay, children? So, I repeat, the sum of length of all the sides of a closed geometrical figures is called its perimeter. When you get the foundation of the perimeter, children, basic, and go higher with the studies, knowing each step what your teachers will teach you, you can become a good architecture. Okay, so now I give you your homework. Learn and write. I hope, children, all of you understood. Otherwise, in the apps you can clear your doubts. Okay, what is a perimeter? The answer is here, but you have understood. You have to learn the English words of it. Find the perimeter of a simple geometrical figure. The figure is already given to you. You have to write, children, you have to write here the perimeter is equal to. Okay, the perimeter is equal to, and you have to mention, children, here, because I was showing you this, A, B, C, D. In a geometrical figure, every figure will have a capital letter placed on the sides. So you will write, children, perimeter of, so children, you will write the perimeter of A, B, C, D. Okay, D is equal to 26 meters. Answer. So the homework I have given you, you will simple. Here it is centimeter on the scale. So you will write perimeter of A, B, C, D. Add up this, but you have to write it in plus and then write the answer. I hope it's very clear to you, children, and tomorrow we'll meet with further with the perimeter of a triangle.